twilight of his career, let's enjoy his departure.
Now, it was built under license in France during World War II. Technically, because it was built in World War II, I believe it was called the Cricket or Cricket, but in fact it is a very short takeoff and land airplane. Occasionally for reconnaissance, occasionally being down there, some great feature from something else. Start, ladies and gentlemen, off to the right and making a very, very tight turn. This airplane had, oh, he's got airshow smoke on today. How nice. See, the battery's on fire. But he has slots, leading edge slots that drop down from the wings to change or reform the entire configuration of the wing. Lift is generated by airflow over and under the wing of an airplane. And because it usually has farther to pass over than under, it creates an area of light pressure on top of the wing and an area on the roll.
Bright yellow, very dark black, bright blue. That's the two hunters.
Gaggle of three aircraft there. Even Charlie Brown is kind of shaking his head watching them fly away. Charlie Brown is seldom surprised by anything.
It may be obvious to say, but the Gnat is certainly well named because it's a tiny aircraft. Speaking to Cubes earlier, he said he's 5'10" and can just about fit inside. The Gnat was a very sporty performer for the Red Arrows. Fabulous displays then, fabulous displays now, but did suffer slightly from a lack of range.
Yes, and when they came to Transco 72 in Washington, D.C., everyone today wonders how in the world they got across the pond.
Just look at those beautiful shapes. 1950s and 1960s. It's a very good saying in aircraft design. If it looks right, it is right. Not far from here at North Weald, just over the Thames in Essex. They began as a 4-ship and then moved up to a 7 and 9. And most remarkably of all, 1958 they looped 22 Hunters in formation. That was and remains a world record. Just imagine 22 Hunters in formation. The aircraft nearest to us is
And I've just been told that the aircraft that you see coming in here now, the Hunter, was researched and put back together by our very own Paul Brown here at Biggin Hill. What a beautiful ship that is today. Absolutely pristine in every way. Lovely job. Hours and hours of dedication, painstaking labor go into not only the research but the actual restoration of these wonderful aircraft. Keep them flying. Keep them displaying for you right here, Biggin Hill, one and only, most famous fighter station.
So the theory was, you build an aircraft as strong as you like. Today, you build an aircraft that lasts for 10,000 hours, you get to 10,000 hours, and it's no good anymore. That certainly wasn't true with these classic jets. They were built very strong indeed. Most of them Delta jets actually.
Very unique aircraft that won the solo aerobatic display yesterday. And when you see it, only then will you understand why. So we'll tell you as it actually happens. Because were I to tell you that a helicopter, no, impossible. Wait till you see what you'll see.
And as the classic jets roll gently down the runway, we welcome the arrival of two Tornado F3s. Looking forward to them displaying a little bit later on. They stayed for most of the day.
Hills Gliding Club, where you will be able to enjoy the thrill of gliding. That's it, Kelly, the Surrey Hills Gliding Club.
Brendan, the return of two aircraft from the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight from left to right, the DC-3 Dakota and the Hurricane. And overhead, a completely different era. Look at that. Got three tornadoes. The old and the new. All of them inbound here. Ease back on the stick ever so gently and looking for a perfect 3-point. Lovely touchdown. Very, very good. Right on the canopy.
So while all that was happening, if you cast your eyes across the airfield, ladies and gentlemen, you will see like a stealth of the night. The Fox, the fly Westgate, taking off. He's going back now to Shoreham to do another display there. So it's a busy, busy weekend for him.
We were watching heavy iron coming in, and your little glider slipped out.
Little light glider going out, yeah. And as I say again, if you enjoyed the show earlier on and you want to try gliding, then do pop over to Kenley. We'd be very happy to see you there. The Surrey Hills Gliding Club operating Monday to Friday. The RAF have it.